Are you struggling with hair loss, thinning hair, or maybe your hair just isn't growing like it used to? You're not alone. But before you start trying every remedy out there, stop. There's something you need to know. There's one thing that everyone is doing that's secretly sabotaging their hair growth. You might be doing it too, and it could be the reason why your hair isn't as thick or as long as you want it to be. Let's get right into it, because once you hear this, you'll never look at hair care the same way again. You see, one of the biggest mistakes people make is brushing their hair too roughly. It might seem harmless, but think about it. Every time you yank that brush through your hair, you're actually ripping through those delicate strands, causing breakage and damage that could take months to repair. But it doesn't end there. What about when your hair is wet? Did you know that's when your hair is at its weakest? Yet, many people go straight for the brush, or worse, the blow dryer. Wet hair is easily damaged, and brushing it in that state, it's a recipe for disaster. You might think you're styling your hair, but in reality, you're setting yourself up for more hair loss and slower growth. And then, there's the issue of products. So many of us are convinced that more products mean better hair. But the truth is, using the wrong products can do more harm than good. Those shampoos full of harsh chemicals and conditioners loaded with silicones. They might make your hair feel good for a moment, but over time, they can strip away the natural oils, leaving your hair dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. You might be wondering, what should I do then? Well, let me tell you. First, be gentle with your hair. Treat it like fine silk, especially when it's wet. Instead of brushing through knots, try gently detangling with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Second, be careful with heat. Blow dryers, straighteners, curling irons, they all cause damage if used too often. If you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant first and keep the heat setting as low as possible. And finally, be mindful of the products you use. Choose shampoos and conditioners that are free from harsh chemicals and full of nourishing ingredients like argan oil, coconut oil, and keratin. These will help your hair stay strong, healthy, and able to grow long without breaking off. Remember, your hair is delicate. It's time to stop the rough treatment and start taking care of it the right way. If you've been struggling with hair growth, it's not because your hair can't grow, it's because of the way you're treating it. So, next time you're about to brush, style, or wash your hair, think about what we've just talked about. Avoid these common mistakes and give your hair the chance to grow stronger and longer than ever before. So there you have it, the truth about what's holding back your hair growth and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow for more content like this. Let's get your hair growing the right way.